So I get the gist of it. So some of you are completely new to the entire concept. Some of you are in between your preparation. So I try and make this session as lucid as I can for you. Before we begin our topic for today, I'll just introduce you to what the USMLE is. The USMLE is a US medical licensing exam. You are supposed to take 3 exams. Used to be 4, so now it's 3. Yeah, so we'll get to it. So your step 1, you have your step 2 CK, and then you have your step 3. There used to be a step 2 CS as well, which was somewhat like a practical exams. It was called the OSCE pattern, but it got cancelled after the pandemic. So now you have to take your OET exams, right? So that is an occupational English test, which basically just judges your English knowledge when it comes to your day-to-day life as a doctor. So yeah, as for USMLE, you have to take 3 exams. Your step 1 consists of your basic sciences, that is your physio, anat, biochem, patho, pharmac, micro, and behavioral science. Okay.